Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
Hi Crafty friends, it's Caroline, and I am back today with a quick little project share for a collaboration that is hosted by Karolina over at Karolina's Krafts and Tiffany over at Let's Get Scrappy. And what they're doing is on the 25th of every month, they are posting a Christmas or, a winter holiday themed project using the hashtag Scrappy Christmas Krafts. And Krafts is spelled with a K, like it is on Karolina's Krafts site. And it's super cute little hashtag. And basically it's an open collab from what I can tell. And people are simply posting their Christmas or holiday projects that they're making throughout the year on the 25th of every month. And the one that I'm going to show you today is based on a tutorial that I'm going to link in the description below. Obviously, I made some tweaks and I'll show you that. But it's a tutorial that Tiffany over at Let's Get Scrappy did that is based on a graphic 45 folio. And it's just the cutest little thing. It's the funnest project. I love the way it feels in your hand. And the paper that I used for this, I don't have the cover sheet for it anymore, but it was a DCWV. It was on the 12 by 12 pack. I still have some of the papers from the 6 by 6, and I really loved this collection. It was fantastic. It came out late last fall, and it just had some really great papers, and I just love it. I thought it was a great collection. So that is the paper that I used for this. I wrapped my entire album using an artisan cardstock that is like a gold shimmer cardstock, and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. On the cover here, I just used one of the cut-aparts. I did double mat it with some gold paper and then some gold glitter paper, and then kind of carried that around the spine. I used some grosgrain ribbon to tie it closed. And yeah, it's just super cute. I love how it turned out. I put a couple tuck spots in this corner pocket here on the front, and there is a little flip out here that is magnetized to keep it down. And then it opens up. Isn't this just the greatest? And I love this folio so much. This flips open, and then this page flips out. So you get big full pages for all sorts of pictures. And then when this opens up over here, I just created a pocket on this side to tuck some cut-aparts in, and then it magnetizes down that way and that way. I used the same magnet here to catch on that one. I just loved these cut-aparts. And then on this back page here, what is kind of the back of the folio, what I didn't like is I didn't like having a big thing flip down in your lap. So there's a magnet on here, but it also flips around. So it pivots on this brad, and then it opens up like that. And then we just have a very basic waterfall. Isn't this so fun? All of that comes down. This comes back up. The magnet catches it right in place. It's pretty awesome. And then over here, there is a double waterfall here with the magnetic attachment there to hold it in place. And these pages are identical, or at least identical papers in the same order going down. They pop in, and then I added a little twist and pop-up element here. I haven't decorated this part yet, but I thought this was super cute the way it just kind of added to the whole feeling of it. I loved the papers, and just kind of a little added element to have a bit of a surprise here on this back page. And then the whole thing just, folds right back up again, just like that. And then it ties closed, and that's it. That's my little project share today for y'all for the hashtag Scrappy Christmas Krafts that is hosted by Karolina at Karolina's Krafts and Tiffany at Let's Get Scrappy. And this is my take on the tutorial that Tiffany did that I'm going to have linked in the description below. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I hope you're being kind to yourselves, and I hope you're finding some joy in your journey. Thanks, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.